So right in front of the brand new Tesla diner that's right behind me, as you can see off the corner of Santa Monica and Orange here in Hollywood, Los Angeles. They took down the giant fences and the screens have been playing clips. And they also have this giant floaty in the back. So it's interesting to see this whole thing come to life. A lot of people walking by taking pictures. So I spoke with one of the guys working for Tesla. He says they don't have an opening date for the diner, but you don't have to be a Tesla owner to eat there. You just need to be a Tesla owner to obviously charge your car. Yeah, mixed reviews from the community. It'll be interesting to see what will happen when this diner opens. So far, I'm still gonna go to In-N-Out. Retro vibes mixed with futuristic. And there's been some crazy people walking by and yelling, but you know, it's LA. Futuristic retro diner. And get some drone action. It's another day in Hollywood, right? Let's go.